One of the most exciting aspects of working on a drone system like this is that it has a wide range of applications, which span commercial industry, scientific research and development, civil infrastructure, and structural health monitoring. But looking far into the future, these type of drone systems could be used in extraterrestrial environments, which means exploring other planets. And that is a very exciting prospect.
Hello, my name is Brendan and I'm one of the team leads for the Amphibious drone design team. I joined this team to get interested in aerospace, its different applications, and do a little bit of research.
My name is Jared. I'm one of the other team leads for the Amphibious drone team, and I joined to work on a project that is related to aerospace, as well as design something that is unique compared to most other projects offered at school.
Hello, my name is Janik Bhakta, and the reason I joined the Amphibious drone team was the idea of working on both a underwater and aerial drone really piqued my interest as a mechanical engineering student.
Hello, my name is Alana Faffenberger, and some things I love about the Amphibious drone is how new and cutting edge it is.
Hello, my name is Yasbeth Montoya. I am a second semester junior, and I decided to join the Amphibious drone team because I have always had an interest in robotics and autonomous vehicles.
For the construction of the wing, we opted to utilize a fiberglass composite to construct the actual profile itself.
The underbelly has been designed specifically to house all of our electronics, as well as the magnetic claw shown in the front. In this tricopter design, the front two rotors will be able to tilt in order to provide vertical takeoff and landing.
The pressure vessel is designed to protect the electronics within the AUV.
The ballast system you see on the screen allows a drone to dive and rise on demand.
A hollow nose cone with multiple O-rings will help keep the hull waterproof.
The final project of the AUV will have a carbon fiber tube as the final hull.